How you doing, officer?
How you doing?
Good.
Are you making a movie?
No, I just come out here sometimes and just take a cruise.
You got a driver's license?
Yes, sir, I do.
3469 Carson Lake Circle, 3469 Carson Lake Circle.
You got motorcycle endorsement?
Yes, sir, I do. So just being stupid. Here you go, sir.
To get out of the vehicle. Say no confrontation between the caller and the subject. Please won't let them tow the truck.
Motorcycle.
Yeah, sir.
Don't be going crazy.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Yeah, I won't
Break your neck,
do that
okay?
again. I really appreciate it, officer. Have a good holiday.
Hurry up. Lift it. Hold on. Watch out.
Yeah, getting pulled over. Woo! Hey, I'm gonna grab my wallet real quick, alright? How's it going, guys?
Is that your buddy behind us, I'm guessing?
What'd you say?
Your buddy behind us?
Probably, but well, no, he got off at 75th, so maybe it is, I don't know.
Alright, well, Trooper with the highway patrol, I stopped you for your speed.
Yes, sir.
Right, I'm doing 85 and you blew by me like I was sitting still.
Yeah, here's that for you.
Just your registration.
Can I grab? Yeah, it's in the back of the bike.
Any reason or?
What'd you say? Oh, I'm sorry, I have earplugs in.
Well, you want to pop that off?
Yeah.
What was that now? Any reason for the speed?
Well, there's never really a reason, I guess. But I have family coming in tonight at 3 o'clock, and I was out late actually going to a bike meet for a friend that crashed like a week ago or something, and it's late, and I'm just trying to get home as fast as I can. Yeah, that's pretty much the reason right there. Okay, man.
All right. Here's the deal, man.
Yeah.
You're respectful. You were chilling before. You were doing maybe 10 over or something like that.
Yeah.
You stopped. You guys most of the time, not you guys, but motorcycles.
No, I understand.
You've been nothing but respectful. Just a warning.
Okay,
all right?
I appreciate that.
Just pay attention to your speed. All right.
Do my best. What's your name, though? Mason. You got that. So appreciate that, man. For real. Sorry about that again, man.
Yeah. Just tell you, you did fine. All right. Thanks.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, man, you were nothing but respectful, so I gotta just let you off in the morning.
Hey, sir.
What's up, boss?
Mike Bravo, Victor, Foxtrot, 19.
Your license on your bud?
Yes, sir.
Put me at 27 north of for now.
There's license, and here is the registration.
Do I'm stopping you, Mr. Clifton?
I do not.
No, huh?
No, sir.
You happen to pull some wheelies down the other end of town?
There was the one from the road, honestly, yes, but it's because I just got the bike and still getting used to it.
You have an endorsement?
Yes, sir. It should say it right down there.
Should be a little bit more than used to it if you have your endorsement.
I'm used to sport bikes. This is my first street legal dirt bike.
All right. Just sit tight for me, all right?
All right, boss. Yep, not a problem.
Get your camera running up front there?
Generally for safety, yes, sir.
For safety, right?
Yes, sir. Oops. Yes, sir.
Not too safe what you were doing, right?
I understand that.
Camera
Yes, sir.
running right now? Probably, right?
It generally stays running.
So just want to make sure you review it later then.
Yes, sir.
You appreciate the break that we're going to give you.
All right, boss.
That ticket costs?
$1,300?
Huh?
$1,300?
$1,166.
It's $1,166.
Second offense is double that.
And then third time is like triple, and you lose your bike plus potential jail time.
I know you can afford $1,166, but I normally can't on that.
I cannot afford $1,166.
It's gonna be our break to you from your leg.
All right, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
You don't want to be peeling you up off the pavement one day because of that.
Yeah, I actually have.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Hits you or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
It happens. That's why you're not allowed to do it.
Yes, sir.
If you're on a dirt bike and you want to do it, go out into a field and pull all the wheelies and do whatever you want on it. But when you're on the road, obey the traffic laws.
Yes, sir. For one thing, thank you very much. I've actually got road rash on my side from a stunt lot. Yeah.
Oh.
But I was in a private land, and you're right. It does happen, and it does hurt.
Well, it's gonna hurt even more on the pavement.
Oh no, it was pavement. It was my buddy's stunt bike.
Okay. Just behave on this.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Break to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Documented on there.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
One break. So
I appreciate it very much.
please respect us and obey our laws.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay. Thank you.
Fuck, he's right next to me. Can you see it in the mirror? Oh my god. I'm just like, well, I am cold, but I'm leaning down like this so he doesn't think that I was trying to go fast on him. Oh, fucker. See, you got me. Oh, I was going pretty fast too. What's up?
Going 79.
What was that? Huh? Yeah, it's in my bag.
Probably not trying to ticket because I appreciate you not being a dick and trying to lose me. But if I did, that's like arrestable. It's all the bike.
Really? Fuck.
Give me a sec, alright?
Shit. Fucking hell.
It's kind of unreasonably fast though.
Yeah.
Like if you're doing kind of 15 over, I probably would have batted 9, but when I see you coming in later, it says 79.
Alright, thanks, man.
Alright.
Yo, you care if I take a picture of my bike with the...
You want a doomsday ride?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it was awesome, man. But...